Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome slow. So to start, open Chrome. Then from here, click the three dots at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and look for delete browsing data. So tap on that. Choose a time range. You can choose 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or last 4 weeks, or all the time. So let's just choose all the time. Then click browsing data, then choose what you want to delete. So make sure you check or you select browsing history, cookies, site data, cache images, and files. Then click on confirm at the top right. Then click delete data at the bottom. Now, once done, close Chrome and go to settings. Then from here, go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on, then connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection, then go back to Chrome and see if that works. Next, another thing you can do is to go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, then from here search for Chrome, tap on it, then tap on Offload App. Tap Offload App once more. So this will free up storage space, but keep its documents and data. Now, if you see reinstall app, tap on that and let it reinstall the app. So it will place back all your data. So just wait for it to finish. Now, once this done, go ahead and open Chrome again and see if that fixed your problem. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.